Welcome back to the Pterodactyls at 5. We got one of my YouTube friends just talking at me as I start the video. 568 is here and split the power. They split their power. Okay. And I am within the station roof. We got 2279, 2163. They split the power. Oh, just what are they gonna do next? You can see it's snowing and it's also windy out there on the east end. So just so I'm facing the other way. Oh, they're tying up to the dimensional stuff. Looks like they're taking that back to Kitchener today. You can see it snowing pretty good. But they do got a car over there that they gotta put in. Yeah, you can see it's snowing. It's starting to get cloudy a bit too. You can see they're getting that dimensional stuff unloaded here. But I think there is expected to do more dimensional stuff. Because the Bruce power plant's in a 10-year contract track to another. Are they putting 2163 as EOT today? So, yeah, that's gonna be a bit interesting. Guess they're not using 2163 today. Oh, she's snowing now. Winter has arrived on November the 1st, guys. Winter has arrived on November the 1st. Plus, it's not even Remembrance Day yet. Because after Remembrance Day, we get things ready for Christmas. It's already snowing. Things are crazy. Well, this is interesting. That is a big... Whoop, sorry about that, guys. Sorry I had a camera fail. But this is interesting. Look at that. Oh, jeez. Can't even see 568 really now because of the snow. Jeez. Well, I guess this video tells you how the snow has changed since when 568 got here to now. What is it? What's what we get? Oh. Now you can't really see 568 now. Oh well, thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit that bell, see you guys next video.